Before we were going to our procedure for our hand washing. Good morning, ma'am. Ako mali, ma'am, si Roy Gallardo. Ako sangka student nurse halin sa Central Philippine Adventist. Pwede ko ano yung mapagputan yung mga ngalan, ma'am?
Sure.
Pwede ko malantaw ang imong ID? Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. So, it is very important to check that we have the right client. So, before kita mag-start, ma'am, I will ensure nga may privacy ikaw. So, we will draw the privacy curtain. Ma'am, remember, if we are in a hospital setting, we need to adjust the bed on a comfortable position. Kagdidya ko, ma'am, para assist kanimo sa depth breathing exercise and leg exercises naton after the surgery. So it is very important gid, ma'am, na mag-exercise kita kang aton legs to promote circulation kag ma-prevent naton ang pag-form kang blood clot sa imo nga kahig because after the surgery dyan ka sa bed rest. Amo man gyapon, ma'am, ang aton nga coughing and deep breathing exercises. Maka-promote man dyan sa aton nga respiratory function kag especially sa overall healing. After explaining the procedure to the patient, we need to assess the patient to sit in the upright position. So, ma'am, magpungko kita in the upright position. Okay lang, kaya mo pa, ma'am. So, ang first natin yung himuon na, ma'am, is we need to do our breathing exercises. So, what we're going to do, ang first natin yung himuon is we need to deep, breathly, kag ma-inhale kita gamito ng aton nga bibig. So, pareho ka dyan, ma'am. Pwede mo ma'am. It is a good try. So, this time, itry naton nga dapat mas ma-deep kita, deeply, breath kita deeply, kita naga-expand ang aton nga lungs. So, pwede na may mon kag this time, we need to do it 3 times. Very good, ma'am. So, remember, ma'am, next time, imo naton nga mas relax kita kag dapat nakaanugid ang aton nga lungs. So, thank you so much, ma'am. And we will do that, ma'am, 3 to 5 times every hour. Next exercise, ma'am, is ang aton nga coughing exercise. So, ang gusto ko imoon, ma'am, is kaptan mo ang imong lunan. Butang mo dija sa imong incision area. So, amo na ma'am ang help alleviate kang any discomfort because sa aton nga himuon associated sa aton nga coughing. So, aton nga himuon, ma'am, is ma-deep breath kita pareho ang una kag maga-ubo kita karwa. So, remember, ma'am, na kung nagasakit kita yung mo pamatsagan, kung himuon mo dyan, we need to notify ang aton nga healthcare provider para before naton himuon ng inyong exercise, magatugro ani sa kang pain medication kag pain relief ka naton. Okay, ma'am? So, amo dyan ito himuon. Deep breath. So, we will do it, ma'am, 3 times.
Okay.
So, very good, ma'am. It is a very good try. So, remember, ma'am, the same sa breathing exercises. We will do it 3 to 5 times every hour. Kag, may pamangkot ako, ma'am. Nagasakit na yung mga incision part. Medyo may uncomfortable.
Sometimes.
Diyan kita na. So, remember, ma'am, kung tama yung sakit, we need to notify our healthcare provider. So, our next exercise nga pagayimon is amo ang leg exercise to promote circulation sa imong kahig. So, for the leg exercise, we need to explain also the procedure for the client, especially assist the client in a comfortable sitting position. So, okay ka pa, ma'am? So, this afternoon, ma'am, before kita magapuhay, tudluan di kawanay kang darwa ka exercises nga itong himuon. Ang leg exercises, magapromote siya kang circulation, ma'am, sa aton nga kahig, kag amo dyan ang magabulig nga ma-prevent ang pag-form kang blood clotting because immobile kita, naka-bed rest kita. So, ang aton nga first nga exercise ma'am is ankle pumping. Ang aton obrahon ma'am is aton nga move ang aton ankle up and down. So, pwede mo ta na ma-try ma'am. Okay, very good. So, pwede mo ta na ma-obra ma'am 1 feet at a time. Tapos, obrahon mo man sa tiyak. And the next time, try mo darwa. So, we will do it ma'am 10 times. Pwede mo try ma'am. The other side. Pwede mo ta ma-try dengan ma'am. So, remember ma'am, for this exercise, we will do that 10 times every hour. And our next, ang knee bending. So, ang ato din mo is, i-bend na ito na ato nga knee, kapit sa ato ng chest, kaya i-balik. So, pari ka dyan, ma'am. Tapos, so, ano ka dyan? So, try mo, ma'am. Ikaw. On the right side, very good. Very good. So, while doing it, ma'am, may ginabadget man ka mga discomfort sa imong incision area. Wala, ma'am. Okay. Remember, ma'am, kung may ginabadget ka mga discomfort, we will ask our healthcare provider para mabulikan ng dakaw sa imong pain relief kag pain medication. So, remember, ma'am, nga obrahon mo man dya after di dya sa hospital hasta nga mag-abot kita sa aton nga home, di na itong paglipatan, okay ma'am? So before ako maghahalin ma'am, there are anything pa nga gusto mo ako himuon or may care pa ako nga pwede himuon kanimo or any question ka nga pamangkot ka na kon? So thank you so much ma'am sa pag-cooperate this morning and I will ensure your safety and remember to the care that we have given for the patient and especially to educate the patient regarding the procedure and the rationale of the procedure. And we need to remove our gloves and throw it in the appropriate bin and we need to wash our hands. Thank you so much for watching.